Time is up in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time up. Okay, this is my fish.
This is my fish.
Okay. Now we are going to draw.
These are my mess ups. This is my mess up.
Anyway, now we are going to draw.
I only have one more page left.
I'll give you more. Now we're going to draw. Stop.
But then they can't see me.
It doesn't matter. They saw you last time. Now we're going to draw.
But you're tall.
Shut up. Now we're going to draw a bird.
Oh yeah. My bird's skinny.
You good?
Okay.
Time is up in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's my bird. Here's my bird. Okay, now
I drew a duck.
Rose. Who are we going to draw this time? Pick a person.
A person!
A person.
I can't draw people.
Just pick Miley Cyrus.
How about that baby right there?
Miley Cyrus. We're going to draw Miley Cyrus.
Can I just draw a bug square?
Draw Miley Cyrus best you can.
What does she look like?
You're stupid.
I forget ugly people. What's a ping pong?
No, that is not ping pong.
What the heck is that? Nothing. This is her head and this is her body. Now she has clothes on.
So weird. You're like, and now she has clothes on.
Done. Wait. I'm done.
Miley Cyrus! Yay! Okay.
Look at this buddy's
Oh my god, what the heck is that?
Those are her feet.
So you're saying she has big feet?
Rose!
Rose!
I didn't do that. That wasn't me.
Mm-hmm.
I have all this section. I never draw. What
Alright,
is that?
whatever, fine. Okay, now we're going to draw Rosie pick. What do you want to draw?
My finger. We have to draw our hands.
We have to draw our hands. Okay. I'm gonna draw my hands.
There has to be nails involved.
Really?
No, duh, right.
Raise your voice like that. Okay, my finger's horrible. Anyway. You should have made some plans with me. You knew that I was free. But now you won't stop calling me. I'm kinda busy. Cause I'm out in the club, I'm sipping that bum. I'm not gonna reach my telephone. Says the telephone at me. The telephone at me. What?
I didn't do my homework yet.
Here's my hand.
Here's my hand.
What does that say on your hand?
Oh, yeah?
Why does it say, oh yeah, on your hand? Why is your hand blown up so bigly?
Because I didn't want to get Sharpie on my hand.
I didn't get any Sharpie on
You
my
did.
hand. I didn't get any Sharpie on my hand.
Yeah,
I'll wash it off. Okay, now we are going to draw
Our cell phones.
Charlie Sheen.
I'm good.
What? What are you doing? What is this? I'm winning. Okay, and she gotta have a cigarette in the mouth. Okay, and his hair. Alright, and his eyes, obviously. Like, duh, I'm winning, obviously. Are you bipolar? No, I'm winning. I win here, I win there. You know, here we go. You know about Charlie Sheen?
What?
You know about Charlie Sheen? I didn't know you knew.
No, it was in
I'm
SNL.
winning!
It was in SNL.
Oh, right. Saturday Night Live, yo. Okay. So we got our Charlie Sheen over there that we combined together. I don't know what that is. What is that?
A booger!
Oh. You also forgot the tiger blood that is coursing through his veins. But anyway, I can draw that. And now there is tiger blood coursing through his veins. Okay. Thank you. Ew! Ugh! Ew! Okay. Oh, God. We're keeping that.